Hello everyone, from wherever you're watching from. So I'm just being prompted to show you the behind the scene of how a multi-skilled person does. I'm actually at home, so I'm trying to make some caps, okay, for a client. All right, so I said let me show you what I'm doing. So this is how we roll on. So if you are multi-skilled, so you should know that you're a busy person. So and then it has advantage. There are a lot of advantages in being multi-skilled. You will not lack so many things, because if business does not come from this angle, it will come from the other angle. So if you are multi-skilled and you're feeling like, oh, they used to say that jack of all trade, master of none. My dear, please don't deceive yourself. Gone are those days when jack of all trade is master of none. You can be multi-skilled and still be very professional at what you do. Like you see, I'm a millionaire. Yes, that's I make caps for ladies. So I'm into millinery, right? So, and I'm also a bag maker. I'm a baker. I bake the most delicious cakes. Yeah, I bake the most delicious cakes. I make souvenir bags, school bags. Let me tell you, if you see my lunch bags, they are top notch. So if you don't want to, so they are top notch. So I want to just encourage somebody today. If you are a multi-skilled somebody, what do I mean by that? Somebody that has more than one skill. Please be proud of yourself. Yes, be proud of yourself and make sure you develop yourself so much. Like I said, I'm at home very early in the morning, you can see. So I woke up so early to make this cap for a client. So there are many. So I just say let me show you this one. So just know that being a multi-skilled person is an advantage and not a disadvantage. But all you need to do is make sure that you are very professional in all the skills that you're into. So this is me, Taron Innovative World. All right, so we are the home of creativity and exploit. All right, so if you like to know more about Taron Innovative World, go to our Facebook page or at Taron Innovative World. You can also check our YouTube channel, check all our social media handles. We are there. So if you like to do business with us, feel free. We don't disappoint. We make sure that we inconvenience ourselves to ensure that we bring out the best for our customers. So just feel free to patronize us at Taron Innovative World. All right, so you can see me here. I've not even taken my bath, but I just have to satisfy my customer. So let's do business together. I encourage you, be encouraged. Okay, please learn skills. Go for things that you have passion for and things that will actually bring in money for you. All right, guys, so I believe you like this cap. So it's made for a client. So let me just show you. I'm making a lot of colors. Okay, so all right guys, see you, bye bye. Please stay encouraged, stay positive. All right, make use of what God has given to you. Make use of your hands, because your hands is so blessed. All right, I'm happy to just tell you this morning. So bye bye.